Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever the time is when you are watching this video, you already know my name is Aboyeji001. I've been in this financial market, particularly forex, as a retail trader for 1.5 years. So, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to watch our video. You already know the last week play out. Um, the market gave us what it gave it to us. Particular high. My market it stopped trade because I'm protecting my capital. So I trade once last week. So I couldn't enter for this week again because I want to protect my capital. So I'm following my rule for now, since I don't have huge capital to so that I don't have because I don't have huge capital to be buoyant to be taking trade anyhow. So you already know. And I pray this week enter. It's going to favor us. It's not. It's going to favor us, and we are going to be a successful, profitable trader, and any other skills we are into. Let's quickly, and you already know we started from Forex Factory for as fundamental analysis to see maybe there is high impact news or there is no high impact news. You understand? If you can see from Monday, which is January 26th, which means this month has end next week, and this month end this week, and you can see we have on Tuesday we have there's no high impact news already. So let's move to Wednesday, and if you see Wednesday, there's high impact news. We only just FO federal fund rate that we know it is Friday and 8 o'clock. And if you can see, they said actual greater than the forecast. As I used to say, to trade news is not something that is too far. It's not something that the advice to trade news is to what? Let the news just came out. After the news came out, let it sweat the liquidity. After the sweating the liquidity, it may be buy, it may be sell. So just join the market straight. If you see they already they said if actual greater than the forecast, which means this actual is greater than the forecast, definitely it's good for the currency. Definitely what the US is what is going up, is going up. If the actual is greater than the forecast, definitely the US what it's not good for the currency. The US is coming down. That's how the news is. And if you see Thursday, we have what? We have USA unemployment claims and what? And 230 also. And last day which is January 30, we are let's see, we have PPI and 230 of sorry for that. That's all what we have for this week. Let's now move to our chart as usual to see what market is is giving us so that we can what we can align to it. Yeah, yeah. Sorry for that. So welcome back. This is our chart. Let's see what is going to happen. You already know. If you can see the gold, we already start from XAUSD, which is gold USD, and if you can see market is what is going uptrend. This is when I'm checking my previous market. That's why I put this thing there. Is a skill level, but let me clean it because market is coming to 5,000. Let's see, market is coming to 5,000. You understand? Let's say market is coming to 5,000. And I already know we started from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. What is happening? This is our recent key level here, which market broker has not come back. And we can say all those where our doji can do, we can say is key level also. But as for now, this is my key level. You understand? Let's now move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we draw our key level also, and you already see 1, 2, 3. This is where they count. With this, where one market is trying to is trying to come down, and what market trying to go back again, and which is this 1, 1, 2, 3. And if you can see, daily time frame has give us what break of structure, which is what? Which means we are still in uptrend. Let's now move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we did not do much on daily time frame. Only just what we have to do is just the recent break of structure and the previous one. This is the previous break of structure, and this is the what? This is the swing high, and this is the swing high, and this is the swing low. That is what I do on what? On daily time frame. And if you can see, there is FEG here, which I'm expecting the market to come back. If markets try to retrace, then there is FEG, which market is going to sweat, if you can see. And this is our recent low here, because it's the one that's giving us what? Is the one that's giving us the high. Is the one giving us the high, and the high as well has not tried to retrace back. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is telling us. And 4 hours, if you can see, 4 hours is telling us what? 4 hours is telling us what? Is telling us bullish also. And if you can see the 4 hours, this is the daily. This is the daily what? Daily demand show. Sorry, but that's daily demand zone. And if you move to 4 hours time frame, this is 4 hours time frame. This is where, and this, if you can see, this is what? This is break of structure here. And this is what? This is the last break of structure market give us, which means we are still in what? We are still in uptrend, which means we are still in uptrend, because this is what market give us. We have other block here. We have other block here. This this where we have our other block. And if you can see, we are buying for next week. What can take what what can let us take the reverse, maybe the bearish, is when we see, we can sell, we can see buy from here, because there's FEG from here. You can see buy from here. There's FEG. If we see if we see change of character, market came back here. If market did not break the low, creating another lower high and lower low, definitely the market is coming here to come and close the market, to come and close this place. All these ones are what are demand, and this place is liquidity, which market is going to sweep to come and fill this place. And as for now, this is the recent trend. You can see the recent trend. We are in uptrend. We are what? You are an uptrend. And let's move to 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour is telling us. And if you can see the 1 hour, 1 hour is 1 hour what align with our align what with align with 4 hours time frame. Sorry for that. We have FEG here. If market can respect this place, we have FEG here. We have FEG there. Market may come back or come back here. Let's move to 1 hour. This 1 hour, this is what 1 hour is telling us. This 1 hour, because there's no FEG on 1 hour self. All this candle are always big, but 4 hours is giving us 4 hours is giving us FEG, which what we must follow what 4 hours is telling us. Seriously, we must follow what 4 hours is telling us. That is it. We must follow what 4 hours is telling us. The 4 hour, as for me, the 4 hours is telling me we have FEG here, which means we are buying. We are still buying. We are in uptrend. Let's move to X XAG USD, which is good and silver, which is silver and USD. Sorry for that. And you already know, as 1 hour time frame, this is what 1 hour time frame is telling us. See, these January candles give us massive bullish. And let's move to daily weekly time frame. What we do on weekly, this is our key level here. You can see 1, 2, 3, and this is our key level support here. 1, 2, 3, which means we are still in what? We are still in bullish. Let's move to daily time frame. What we do on daily time frame is not just too far. What we just do is just our key level. And the resistance break of structure, you can see this is the resistance break of structure here. This is the resistance break of structure here, and this is the low we have, which means we are what? We are still in uptrend. This is our demand from daily time frame. We are still in uptrend, which means this is our swing low, but it does not give us swing. It doesn't give us what? Swing high. It's just giving us high, which the swing high has not retraced. So this is what this is what I have. This is the recent big, which means daily time frame is telling us break of structure, which means we are still in uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours. What 4 hours is telling us? 4 hours has already mitigated this FEG. Definitely, this is the last break of structure 4 hours is giving us. We have other block here. We have other block here, because this is the last break of structure. For 4 hours, you can see the 4 hours. This is the last break of structure. And this is you can see market has mitigated this FEG, which means we are still up there, but there's FEG here, which market has not mitigated, which means there is what? This is demand. This is the daily demand zone. So let's just wait. Let's just continue this uptrend. This is the recent one. And if you can see, we have FEG here. We have FEG. This is the FEG we have. Market may mitigate this FEG and continue the uptrend. Seriously, because I'm seeing market is expecting FEG more than the other block on gold and silver. Let's put it at the middle like this, at the middle of the candle. On our stop loss here, you can see. Let's move to 1 hour and see what 1 hour is picturing us. 1 hour, what 1 hour is telling us, you can see 1 hour is just telling us that there is no there's no opportunity on that 4 hours for that block, because all these plays have already been mitigated, and if you can see what the FEG we did on 4 hours, it's aligned with this FEG, unless we wanted to redefine it. And this place is already be what? There's no FEG here. So we are expecting market to come back here. on 1 hour and continue the uptrend. That is it. This is what we have on gold and silver, on gold and silver. If you now see break of structure, if you now see markets break this, markets break this higher low, definitely markets are coming to this demand, This is what I see on gold and silver. Hope you are good with it. Hope you understand. Yeah, as I used to say, if you do not understand, just message on the comment section. I will reply you ASAP. ASAP. Let's move to US 30. That is my pair that fucked me up last week. So let me divide this place very well. This is it. So definitely the FEG is here also. You can see there's FEG on 4 hours gold and there's FEG on 4 hours silver. And let's move to US 30. This is US 30. As on monthly time frame, you already know we are seeing option on monthly time frame. This is it. This is our key level here. We are still there. On weekly time frame, this is the key level I'm seeing here. This place will turn to key level. I shouldn't lie. Let me just delete this place. This place will turn to key level. This place will turn to key level. This is the key level resistance. You can see 1, 2, 3. And this is the key level support. You can see 1, 2, 3. But this is the perfect one as for me, because it's the one that breaks social. You can see the break of social, and this is the what? This is the low. This we can do is lower than this we can do. So you can see lower high before breaking it. So this is the what? This is the resistance. But if you want to use here, you can use here also. You can use here also. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our key level. Seriously, this is the key level. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can see the key level align with it. And our what? Our swing high and swing low. You can see this is our recent swing high now. And this is our what? This is our swing low. You can see this is the last break of structure. And this is our swing high, which market has what? Mitigated. And what is happening here is just when I'm backtesting this pair, it's now clear to me that there is opportunity here. There's no opportunity here because market has swept this liquidity for me. You can see market has swept this place as liquidity. Market has swept it as liquidity. Let's say liquidity swept. Seriously, you can see the market has swept it. The market not swept it though. I'm seeing liquidity. We guys focus very well. You can see there's liquidity here. There's double top here. I'm seeing double bottom there. You can see I'm seeing double bottom there. And this is resistance, which market has not broken it. As this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. And market has swept this liquidity. That's why I've said we are seeing option. Let's now move to since we have drew our swing high and swing low. This is our swing low. This is the swing low that give us this swing high. All these ones are liquidity. And this is the previous one, swing low, that give us this swing high. So let's move to, since we focus on research, let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. You can see this is on 4 hours. This is the break of social. Market swept this liquidity because there's FEG continue to go up, but it couldn't break the up on 4 hours. This place has turned to resistance. On 4 hours, those places has turned to resistance. I shouldn't lie. They have turned to resistance because market has mitigated the several time. And if you can see, there is no what there is no market, there's no FEG here. And let's align this. And if you can see, there is FEG here, which on 4 hours there is FEG here. And market has already created what? Double top. This is where I'm seeing the FEG. Seriously. And if you can see on 4 hours, there's no FEG on 4 hours, which market supposed to what? Continue the bullish. But market created double top here. And there's FEG down. So let's see. And this is FEG. Let's see this FEG is going to break the market. And let's move to 1 hour and see what is happening on 1 hour. And you can see on 1 hour also, there's FEG here, which means this market what is aligning. You just need to be focused on this market, seriously. And if you can see the double top as what as already as what as already aligned with it. We just need to be patient. Let's move to 4 hours back. This is what 4 hours is giving us. And you can see when we redefine the FEG on 1 hour, that's how what the 1 hour is telling us. But let's move it like this. This is what I'm seeing on one, or this is what I'm seeing on. Let's see what maybe the market is going to break this place again, because it has turned this place has turned to liquidity several time. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's move to 1 hour again. This 1 hour, all this place I did not pay attention to it because 4 hours don't give me any FEG. So you can see all this place all the 4 hours has already mitigated. 1 hour is just giving me FEG because this other block has for me. But if someone wants to take market from here, let's say this is big potential. The reason why I'm seeing this as opportunities because there's liquidity, a liquidity trend line. There's liquidity trend line here, which market created, and this yeah on Thursday, and I analyzed this market, but I later closed it yesterday when I see that double top down. I later closed it yesterday. I should not lie, I later closed it. I should not lie, I later closed it yesterday. The other block, sorry. So let's see, maybe this other block on 1 hour is going to, but me, I'm expecting that it's not going to hold it because on 4 hours not give us FEG. So this 1 hour is just creating what's supposed not create. But I'm expecting this place. Market should come back here, continue the bullish. Because on 1 hour, if we can read it, this it liquidity swept. After liquidity swept, market was market began up market began uptrend. Market began uptrend. So let's see if market is coming. If market is coming to this FEG, to continue the bullish. But I'm not paying attention to I'm not paying too much attention on this other block. I'm paying attention on this FEG. That's it. That's what I have on USDT also. Because I'm expecting uptrend. Seriously, since daily time frame is telling us uptrend, and if you can see, buyer and seller are trying to This has give us doji candle because this doji candle has not give us any signal that market is, you understand. That's, we just need to be patient. And this 1 hour is just giving me, you can say this place has liquidity also. You can say this also has liquidity because there's FEG, which market has not executed finish. But this market may add, but there is supply here. I'm expecting this supply to push the market down. I'm expecting this supply because there's FEG here. I'm expecting this FEG to push the market down. You can see to break this. We can't mitigate here. That's what I'm expecting. So that's what I'm ready. Market, we react to the market, we do not predict. This is what I say and this is what I react to. Let's see GBPUSD. You can see. Don't worry. That's just it's just going up. Let's start from monthly time frame as usual. This is our monthly time frame. We already know this is the key level. I'm expecting the market to come because you can see market has mitigated the serial time. This is the key level, and this video has served as liquidity. We had this video with serves of supply on monthly time frame. And on monthly time frame, we can see this is the trend market is giving us uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. You can see this is the weekly time frame. And if you want to follow this trend, this place, let's move. This place has turned towards key level also. This place has turned to resistance because it touches it second time. Seriously. And this serve as our resistance, our key level on weekly time frame. But if you want to take the inner key level here, sorry for that. I make a big mistake because I paused this record before, and let's go back to the GBP. This is where we stop. And if you can see, we have on monthly time frame. This is our key level on monthly time frame. You can see market has mitigated. This is our key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is our key level on weekly time frame because market has touched it several times and it has turned to what? It has turned to resistance. This is our resistance. You can see this is our resistance. This is our main key level. And let's go back to our internal key level. This is our internal key level on weekly time frame, and it has given us break of structure. You can see this is the break of structure, and this is what? This is the key level. 1, 2, 3. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is. Daily time frame, this is our swing low here. And the swing low has not give us what? The swing high. These are our previous swing high here. You understand? Market has said this liquidity. So what we just have to do is we already know on what on daily time frame is telling us bullish. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what opportunity is on top of this 4 hours time frame. And if you can see, this is the bullish, and this is the break of structure here. You can see this is the break of structure here. This is the break of structure here. The reason why I plot this place, this is the FEG daily time frame gave us. You can see the FEG. This is the FEG daily time frame gave us. This is the FEG, and this is the other block. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This 4 hours time frame. You can see this is the FEG. If you want to divide the FEG, and if you can see, we have break of structure here. We have break of structure here. The reason why I plotted this as break of structure because this 4 hours time frame, this 4 hours is telling us we are still in bullish. and this there is FEG here, which market has not mitigated. The reason why I applied this other block as what as our opportunities because this week candle has swept this liquidity, this red candle. So definitely that's an opportunity, and if we redefine that 4 hours daily time frame kill FEG, this is it. This is what we are going to get. Now let's move to 1 hour if that FEG is aligned with the 1 hour. And you can see the FEG align with the 1 hour. The FEG align with the 1 hour. The FEG align with the 1 hour. So the reason is for me that there is liquidity here. On 1 hour, this is FEG. But on 1 hour, we can see FEG here. If you want to take my diverse market, this is other block here. If you want to protect the continuation of the market because we are still in bullish on 1 hour, this other block, and what you just have, you have to continue you just need to continue the market, and we do not have FAG, you just have to this what you just need to continue the option. But if market break this 1 hour, definitely we are coming here because 4 hours is giving us other block here. We are coming here. Let's move to Euro USD. This is Euro USD also. On monthly time frame, you already know this is our key level on monthly time frame where we are expecting market to come. Let's move to weekly time frame. These are our weekly time frame, and this is our key level here. You can see this is our key level here. And this is our key level here. And market has been playing what? It has been playing a lot of which which something. Let's move to, and if you can see we have seen break of structure here. On weekly time frame, we have seen break of structure, which means we are seeing an uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame and see what is happening on daily time frame. This daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our supply. Let's say this is what happened. And let's redefine this break of structure very well. You just need to continue the market. Seriously. This buy I couldn't take it. I did not know why the market left me and went in my favor. So let's move to daily time frame. This daily time frame, these are what? These are our swing low now. Because market has sold this liquidity, this is our swing low now. Sorry for that. This is our swing low now. This is our swing low now. This one is this FEG here. This one is what? Internal. Let's see other block. This way we are expecting the market. Let's see here. This way we are expecting the market. Let's now move to 4 hours. This 4 hours time frame, and what we have on 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is telling us bullish, and this 4 hours is just this one is swing. This one is this is our swing. The swing high. Let's cancel this. No, these are previous swing high. Sorry, which market has broken, and these are recent swing low in there. You can see this earlier. Let's move to 4 hours and see what mark 4 hours is. This is the 4 hours, and if you can see 4 hours is telling us break of structure here. And these are other block here. These are other block here. The reason why these are other block because there's FEG there. There's FEG. And market has mitigated this FEG. Like say internal structure. Internal break of structure. Internal inside internal. This will serve as liquidity for me, seriously. Where this is serve as liquidity for me because I'm expecting the market to come back here also. Let's move to 1 hour and see what 1 hour is giving us. You can see the 1 hour. We are buying. Seriously, the market is buying. Just don't panic this market. There's liquidity here. There's liquidity here. You can see. I've said it. This will serve as liquidity for me. And if you move to for 1 hour, you can see the liquidity. It's aligned with this liquidity, which means there's liquidity here. Let's look at for power. You see that liquidity? On 1 hour, what are we seeing on 1 hour? There is opportunity on 4 hours. This is where we choose our opportunity. On 1 hour, there is recent opportunity, so we don't need to what to just waste our time because on daily time frame you can see this is the previous swing high, and on 1 hour market has broken it, so we just need to market to retest and continue the option, which and you can see market has give us what recent break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is the recent break of structure on 1 hour time frame give us internal break of structure. Why this market is valid for us is because let me tell you something. There is key level there. You can see daily time frame swing high, market broken, and you can see this is the key level, weekly key level. Market has broken retest and continue the uptrend. So what we just need is just to continue the uptrend. What we need is just to continue the uptrend. That is what we need to continue the uptrend. Seriously, to continue the uptrend. Let's move to USDJPY. Oh man, this one has changed market too. Yeah, it has changed market. Let's start from monthly time frame. Save. Let's start from monthly time frame. Yeah, sharp. This monthly time frame. This is the key level. This is the key level on monthly time frame. But it has not touched it before the chasing. And on monthly time frame, save, there is opportunity. And if you can see the opportunity, you will know that is monthly time frame save is not too small. The There is opportunity on monthly time frame. This is the break of structure. This is the FEG on monthly time frame. But we cannot trade on monthly time frame. We just move to weekly time frame, see our key level. This is our key level here. You see, this is our key level here. And this is our key level where market what? You can see this is the what? This is the support. Market broken it. This is the support. Market broken it. This is resistance. Market After market broken this support again, it came back to this, turn it to resistance, return it back, continue the uptrend. And these are our key level also. On monthly time frame, these are our key level. All those things are key level. But we cannot change because market has mitigated this. So we are in an uptrend on monthly time frame. Monthly time frame has tell us we are in an uptrend because you can see this is the last break of short. This is the last break of structure, and this is what this is the swing low. And if you can see, this is the FEG market mitigated. Market continue the uptrend. The FEG is here. Let's say market is coming to mitigate this FEG. You can see this FEG continue the uptrend. Let's move to this is the weekly time frame. And the weekly time frame is not giving us any opportunity because all those candles has already been mitigated. You can see this is the where liquidity swept. Liquidity are selling this place. And those skill level, let's just see what is happening on This is the key level market mitigated on weekly time frame. You can see 1, 2. This is the key level market expected on weekly time frame. This is the key level. And what I'm just seeing now is just this is the key level. As for me, this is the key level resistance here, because it's the one that gave us this break of structure here. And we do not have FEG anymore, safe, because you can see market as well, we do not have FEG anymore. So let's say this place as key level, internal key level. You understand? And this place as our internal key level again. Let's just use this as internal key level. Seriously. And let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what's daily time frame. This daily time frame. See what daily time frame is telling us. This is what daily time frame is telling us. You can see the 4 hours key level, and this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. On weekly time frame, let's see what on weekly time frame you can see the break of structure I said is aligned with what is daily time frame. This is a break of structure for us. What we just have, there is FEG here, and you can see there's key level here. What is happening now? Our swing low and swing high. This is our swing low here, and this is our swing high here. Market mitigated this swing high and continued the uptrend. You can see all these ones are liquidity. I've said it. All these ones are liquidity. There is FEG here. There is small FEG here. See the set. I don't even bother to check this set yesterday. I don't even bother to check it, to check it yesterday. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what's happened 4 hours. That's Friday, 7 o'clock and 7 o'clock. Mm. And let's see what is happening in 4 hours. You can see what's happening. And if you want to, let's just set this as our what? As our demand zone. Man. And if you move to 4 hours, let's see what 4 hours is telling us. 4 hours is just telling us liquidity. You can see those liquidity. And this FEG, what? There's FEG here. This is where the FEG is of 4 hours. After you define, because market has mitigated this, market has mitigated this FEG, which means liquidity swept. Let's let's see what is happening. And this is what market is doing, is trying to give us. Seriously. And all those ones are liquidity for me. Trend line liquidity, which market has swept. You can see all these ones are trend line liquidity. They are trend line liquidity. And of ourselves, you can see what this break of structure, this change of character, but I did not check this market yesterday. And this is FEG. Market mitigated FEG. That the FEG is just set. And this is where this FEG, this is the last FEG we have. And if you can read the market, we have what? We have break of structure. We have change of character. Market came back to this change of character. Market came back to this chain of character, continue the uptrend. Definitely market is coming back here. This way we are expecting the buy. This way we are expecting the buy. Which buy? Uptrend, strike up, straight. Straight. This monthly time is going to break this monthly time for us. You can see this is what we have. Let's see what we have from 1 hour to continue this sell. This sell, unless it sell this liquidity, that's what we just need. Unless the market sell this liquidity. On 1 hour safe, what do we have? We have FEG here. We have FEG here. You can see we have FEG here. Market is just playing. All these things are just liquidity, seriously. Because this is where the market, this is where liquidity starts. Market came back to it. You see, after market came back to it, trying to you see. So the market is just coming here to save this liquidity and continue the uptrend. This is what we just have, or we just have the buy. Massive buy. Spark up straight. Let's move to GBPJPY also. I think their trend is also almost the same thing. So let me just cancel this place. I'm just playing and you have seen where I've set it. Let's start from monthly time frame. This monthly time frame, this is the key level market expected. But I'm expecting the market to come up. But market has expected this key level. Let's see what it's trying to do. This the key level market broken. You can see this is the key level. All these pieces are already mitigated, and this is the key level market broken on monthly time frame. Monthly time frame. Let's focus there. If you can see, we are in an uptrend, but what we just have is just this key level that is for that is trying to push it. But yeah, and if you can see, we don't have FEG, we have FEG. This way we have FEG. Let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. This weekly time frame is, let's just see what this weekly time frame is trying to tell us. We have FEG here. We have key level here, and this is the recent key level. This is the second level market give us the FEG. And what we just have on weekly time frame, market is telling us bullish. This is what we have here. This is the key level resistance for me because 1, 2, 3. And this is another key level for me. This is the first one, 1, 2, 3. And this the recent one. 1, 2, 3. So this key level what is valid for me. Let's move to daily time frame. This daily time frame. This is what we have on daily time frame itself. You can see all this weekly time, this weekly break of structure. This is it. We have another break of structure here. You can see we have another break of structure here. And after this, you can see this. Let's just go to daily time frame. This is what we have on daily time frame. I will say this is the previous swing high, and this is the low. This is the recent low now for me. This is the low for me now. And the low has given us higher high. You can see this is the break of structure. Let's move. Let's move to 4 hours and see what opportunities on 4 hours. This 4 hours. This is what market gave us. Liquidity swept. After market gave us liquidity swept, it's finding the opportunity to come to go up. And as for me, this way I'm seeing the opportunity. There's FEG here. There's FEG here. That is this way I'm seeing the opportunity to see FEG. On 4 hours time frame, this way I'm seeing the opportunity. All those ones are what? Liquidity for me. That's what it's also. Let's move to 1 hour and see the opportunity on for 1 hour. This 1 hour. If on 1 hour is telling us we should redefine the FEG, this way the FEG is on 1 hour. And this there's FEG here also, which market has already mitigated. And this serves as order block as for me. The reason why the reason why I'm going to consider this order block is because there's key level, there's weekly key level here. That is the reason I'm considering this order block. Let's see the market is going to, but what I'm seeing now, this is liquidity. You can see this liquidity. Doctor, this is liquidity for me. As for me, this is liquidity. This is where I'm seeing the buy. I'm seeing the buy from here. Let's move to 4 hours or see the sell. There's no sell, or let's market mitigate this FEG and continue the sell. Let's move on 15 hours. You see, that's what I'm saying. You have FEG here. Thirty minutes to have FEG. Let's move to 15 minutes. Let's see what the FEG is telling us. You can see this vehicle of structure. Let's see what market is trying to do. And on 30 minutes, you can see this is liquidity. This liquidity market is valid. This market is valid. Seriously. But on lower time frame, there's no opportunity anymore on this FEG. There's no opportunity on this, but this there's opportunity here. Market is coming here. The reason why I consider this play as opportunity because there's weekly key level over there. For that block. Let's see what market is going to do. Seriously, because this is break of structure for me. This is break of structure. Yeah, fam. This is all what I'm seeing, fam. Seriously, this is all what I'm seeing. Let's just see let's just wait for the opportunity. Yes, seriously. 1 hour is telling us this liquidity is valid because there's FEG here. So let's wait and see if you can see the if you can see indicated and continue the uptrend. Bro, so let's see what is going on crypto. I'm just And without crypto, I'm just seeing what is shining, yeah, what is happening. But I can see, well, on crypto, you can see what we have. This is what we have. This is our key level here. This is our key level here. This is our key level here also. When market has mitigated this key level, this support key level here two times, you can see. Let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. This is our key level. And if you want to see this key level is just not clear for me. Seriously, it's not clear for me. I should have not like it's not clear for me. But let's move to daily time frame. This daily time frame. If you can see, this daily time frame is telling us this is my demand, because it's the one that give us what break of structure. And all those ones are liquidity. You can see it's the one that give us this last break of structure. And this, as usual, this is our what? This is our swing high, and this our swing low. If you want to take this buy, you can take this buy seriously, because you can see this our demand, and market is in an uptrend. The market is telling us uptrend, but all what I'm seeing here, all those was are liquidity here. Market is going to sell this liquidity and continue the uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see, maybe there's FEG on those. Before on those, you can see, you can see this what I'm seeing. All these are liquidity. Let's market come back and let's market mitigate this, because before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what's our 1 hour. Since is on daily. On 1 hour, you can see there is what? There's liquidity. And this liquidity what? Is because there's what? There's FEG here. You can see the FEG which market has not closed. You can see. Let's wait. Let's wait. Maybe the market is going to close the FEG. And if you want to take your opportunity, let's just wait. And I'm seeing on daily time on 4 hours. Let's see what will happen on 4 hours. These 4 hours. This 4 hours. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. And this is the other block. But I'm expecting market to come back here, because there's FEG here. There's FEG here, which market is going to sweat. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour. This 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is telling us has mitigated this space. After mitigating this other blow, it's just giving us that chain. Well, let's just wait. But I'm expecting the buy from here. That is it. Let's see Ethereum. Let's see what's happening on Ethereum. For monthly time frame, this is it. This is the key level, and this is the key level. This is the key level, and this is the key level also. As for me, let's now move to this. What is happening? This is the key level. That's what's happening, and we can say this is our recent key level here also. You can see here. This is the key level 1. You can see 1, 2. This key level what is valid. Market has already swept this liquidity, which means the uptrend is valid for us. Should us now the uptrend is valid for us. Market has swept this. Market has mitigated this FEG, which there is no space. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening daily time frame. This is daily time frame. What is happening on daily time frame? This is resistance. As for me, this is resistance, because this is the break of structure market gave us. You can see this is the break of structure market gave us. After market gave us this internal break of structure, this is the other block. After market mitigated the second time, it turned to resistance, and which means market has tried to push it, but they couldn't push it. Let's just wait and see what is happening here. If you can see, and this is as for me, this low is not strong enough because it's not give us break of structure. Seriously, seriously. But this, I will set this low is okay for me. This swing low and this our swing high. You can see this our swing low and this our swing high. If this one is strong to break this is strong to swing, but that one is not strong enough for me. Let's move for 4 hours. Let's see the opportunity on 4 hours. This is the opportunity on 4 hours. There's liquidity here. There's liquidity here. And if you see, sorry for that, market has mitigated this place, has mitigated this FEG. And as for me, market has mitigated this FEG also. But let's see if market is going to reach this demand. This demand. Let's see. Let's see what market has for us here. I usually, you don't notice I changed my voice. I changed my voice. Yeah. So let's see what market has for us here. That's it. This is what I have on interior also. This is what I have on interior also. Let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see. And thank you, fam. Thank you, fam. This is what I have on the crypto also. I pray this week we should be in profitable week. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. This week is going to favor us, so don't panic, don't panic. Calm down, calm down, calm down. We too, we are going out at the top. I'm seeing all of us that we are going, we are at the top this year. We are at the top also. We are moving forward this year. And this year is our year. We are at the top already. Nobody can push us. Farms, this is what I have for the market for this week. And I pray may this week be in profit. We should be successful, profitable in this trade, in this our trading journey, and any other skills we add to it. That's what I have once again. And if you do not understand, if you want more explanation, kindly the comment section. I used to check comment section. And if you see that and if you see that what this guy is doing is okay, but I need to change this guy. Let me upgrade this guy. Let me help this guy. I'm ready for help. I'm ready for the learning. Seriously, I'm open to learn. Seriously, let's just help our brother and lift ourselves up. You already know my name is Aboyeji 001. I kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first one to what to see our video. Peace and love you. Thanks.